Let's break down osmosis. What is osmosis? It is a special case of diffusion, specifically, the diffusion of water molecules. Osmosis is defined as the net movement of water molecules across a partially permeable membrane, from a region of higher water concentration to a region of lower water concentration. But what actually determines water concentration? It all comes down to the proportion of water molecules compared to solute molecules, like sugar or salt. Take a look at the two beakers on your screen. The left beaker has a higher solute concentration, meaning fewer water molecules can fit. The right beaker is the opposite, with fewer solute particles and a much higher concentration of water. Now, let's look at what happens inside a cell. When the outside environment has a lower solute concentration, meaning a higher water concentration, and the inside has a higher solute concentration, water molecules will naturally rush across the membrane to balance things out. Watch them flow inside. They will keep moving back and forth until the concentration is perfectly equal on both sides of the membrane. This net movement causes the cell to expand and swell. And that is osmosis in action.